Hello and welcome to Print Transaction History. In this video, we'll explain how to send an invoice as a statement or as an invoice for an individual client record. So right now I'm inside of a client file. I'm inside of Tommy Sager. I come down here and in the transaction information section, I show three transactions. One, we have the fee tax prep of $125. He made a payment of $125 with a check. Now he has an outstanding balance of $65 for an amendment. So we want to send him a bill. And I just want to send him one. I don't want to send all my clients with outstanding balances. So I go into his file. I'm going to click on Print Transaction History. And this is a PDF. So here's Tommy Sager. It shows me all the line items within that transaction file for that current return year. An example, I'm actually in return year 2012, but I'm going to see every line item here. And then here's the outstanding balance of $65. It shows the invoice date, December 3rd. So if you want to send it as a statement showing the whole history of Tommy's transactions for that return year, you can do it this way. And this is set up for Windows 9 envelopes. So you have your return address, and then you have Tommy's mailing address right here. To send it just as a single line item invoice, what you'd want to do is, if you see here this column marked done, these check boxes, I can remove these from the invoice and only show the outstanding balance that shows it's not done. I do that by checking the box organized by transaction type. Now the only thing that's going to display is the outstanding line item. Then I go back to my Print Transaction History. And you just see those two line items that have already been paid are removed, and I'm only focusing in on the transaction that's outstanding, $65. To have those display again, all I do is uncheck the box, and now I see all my line items. One more thing I want to point out on this report, on this invoice, you see at the bottom here, please submit payment within 30 days. To have this display at the bottom of your statements or your invoices, how you would do that, if you go into Admin and go to Report Permissions, and you see this far column here, Customize Text, you can put whatever you'd like to display at the bottom of any report. In this example, Client Information, Transaction History, that's how I have that displaying. Please submit payment within 30 days. To edit this, I just select the edit pencil and it opens up, and I can put whatever I'd like there. One last thing I'd like to point out, because this is a PDF, you can email this just by hitting File, Send, and then you can page by email or link by email, and it'll send as an attachment to your client. That's all I have for printing transaction history for a specific client file. Thank you.